Welcome to the channel. My name is Sam and I'll be your instructor. Here you will find a series of videos covering the topics of Algebra 1. This is intended as a supplement to your class and textbook. My hope is that seeing the topics in a different way can help to improve your understanding and fill in any gaps. As of the posting of this video, the first 15 videos of the course are available. The remaining videos will come in the following weeks to make a total of around 25 videos for the course. If you have any questions about the videos, I encourage you to leave a comment. Ideally, the comment section will have questions and answers that can further improve your understanding of the material. If you find these videos helpful, all of the videos will have a link to my page on the website Buy Me a Coffee. If you're able, you can give $5 in support of the channel. All good if not, all of the videos will be available for free and without ads. I look forward to seeing you all learn and succeed in Algebra 1. So welcome, and let's get started.